Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are discussing about AI tools that are useful and free. AI has become part of our life, and in 2025, the person who don't know about AI is doing hard work, not smart work. There are 5 AI tools that are useful in automation. Let's get started. Number 1, 11 Labs. This AI tools is used for voiceover. It has so many different voices and for free, and it is easy to use. Number 2, Humva AI. This AI tool is used for generating your AI avatar, and you can create video through this AI tool. It's for free and easy to use. Number 3, Rask AI. This AI tool is used for translating language of your video, and through this AI tool, you can also edit your videos. It's for free and easy to use. Number 4, Pictory.ai. This AI tool is used for generating text to video, and through this AI tool, you can also create image to video. It's for free and easy to use. Number 5, Ideogram.ai. This AI tool is used for generating text to image, and through this AI tool, you can also create thumbnail of your video. It's for free and easy to use.